Hey guys, today we are heading to Shipshewana on the road. So Shipshewana is here in Warren, Michigan, over at the Macomb Community College, where we were last month for the smaller RV show. So we're gonna see what kind of Amish goodies and homemade fun stuff we can find. We're gonna take you guys along with you, or with us. A few years ago in March we actually did go to Shipshewana, but of course it was a Sunday and everything was closed but the gas station, so this makes it a little easier. Let Shipshewana come to us. So they've already been in a couple different spots in Michigan. They were in Kalamazoo and Grand Rapids and all that good stuff. Now they're in Warren. And from here I think they head over into Ohio or something like that. So pretty interesting. So let's see what kind of goodies we can find. What do you think, Miss Piper?
Oh, you're right. Those are eyeballs.
Eyeballs. You want some eyeballs?
Yeah.
You do? All right. Yeah.
650 and 650. That's
Yeah,
the biggest they get? No, they get about that big. Oh. What about the Yorkies? How big would they get? They stay little. 650.
Where are you going, Piper?
Yes. I have a boy and a girl.
She's standing on that one. What do you think?
They're all like mystery.
Yeah, she's standing on them. You see all the little puppies?
One's sweet.
What one would you like? You like the gray one, the grayish one, or the black one? Oh, look at those two playing over there.
I think I like the
Oh,
black.
he's wanting the other one to wake up, so he's biting him in the nose. What do you think? Oh, look, he's going to play with the cane. Aren't they cute?
That's a very rare color.
What do you think there, kiddo? Yeah? You want to kind of pet one? Lena, he might come up to you. You think he'll come up to you?
No.
Let me see. Hello. They're looking at the other puppies. Hello.
They're just sitting there.
He's crying. He's crying.
Why?
I think he wants his toys. And these two are really playful, aren't they?
Yeah.
He's 1,200.
Wow. What do you think, huh? Look at him putting his paw out. Hi. Come here. Come here.
They're just sitting on the bed.
Yeah.
The black one's just squished.
Yeah, he's kind of just squishing them, isn't he? Yeah.
1,200. He's a female dapple.
Pink.
This is actually so
I mean, you've pretty much gotten something from every aisle so far. Mommy has a couple books that Piper picked out. Pretty
Mom,
cool.
Mom.
Yeah. And Piper got a stuffed doggy.
Yeah.
And I got myself a Jeep Wrangler pen holder. It's pretty cool. I'll show you guys later. All right, so it's been a couple weeks since Shipshewana on the road. And, honestly, it was nothing like we thought it was going to be. It was actually kind of a letdown. Mostly local vendors. Really no Amish stuff. Not a whole lot of homemade stuff. Just people selling stuff you'd see either at a kind of like a flea market or a trade show or something like that. I mean, it was it wasn't worth it. We ended up buying some baked goods. There was a few. The bread was so hard that we ended up having to throw it out within a couple days. Piper got a stuffed animal and some other stuff. She's still playing with that. I did get a Jeep Wrangler pen holder. It was pretty big. It was a 3D printout, something we made. Don't have pictures of it. It's at my office at work. But yeah. So next time it comes in town, we're not gonna go. Like I said, it was a real disappointing experience, really. you know, it's nothing what you think when you think of Shipshewana. So we still had a good time, and I know a lot of people were purchasing stuff, but you know, again, there was no real Amish made stuff. No, there wasn't really a whole lot of homemade anything. So anyway, until next time, happy trails.